All right, this is some pretty straightforward turning words into equations. This is the kind of thing you really need to be okay with on the SAT and just for any algebra class in general. We're turning this into an equation. Y equals 84 less than the number x. Now this isn't an answer choice, but I could see where people would go wrong here is by writing the number 84 next. The problem is when we have subtraction, things tend to kind of read backwards. They read in one direction, but then we write it in another, because 84 less than the number x means we're subtracting 84 from x. So it's going to become x minus 84, which is choice D. Now look, if you're in any way uncertain about this, this is a very clear case where we can arithmetize. We're never told the values of x and y, but we can make up some numbers as long as we follow the rule. Y is 84 less than the number x. Well, okay, let's just make x something like 100, right? Okay, what's 84 less than 100? Take your calculator, 100 minus 84. You're probably going to be able to intuitively do that, and that's 16. So that means y is 16. Now, when we go to the answer choices, we are looking to get a situation where that kind of works out. So y is 16, x is 100, but 100 plus 84 is not 16, so that doesn't work. 1 over 84 times 100, also not going to be 16. We can test it in the calculator if we need to. And then 16 is definitely not 84 times 100, so that doesn't make sense. But look, 16 is 100 minus 84. Test in the calculator, it's the same step you did before, and it does work, so there you go. I don't think arithmetize is the most efficient method here, but if you're in this section and you're really, really bad at math, or specifically algebra, then we're going to want to use every opportunity we can to lock in points. So arithmetize helps us do that because it moves away from the algebra that you find confusing and gets us back to arithmetic, which we can use the calculator for, or which hopefully is just more intuitive. When we make mistakes, we can catch them.